again, and it's lunchtime, and I'm going to share with you my this porridge here. You can see it's a home cooked porridge which I just heat up because I had porridge on Saturday as well. And this being the last day in Singapore for us to bring our stuff back from office, I've decided to bring back my plants. You can see right behind here, keep and grow so that they don't die over the 1 month. Okay. Okay, so I'm just taking this to scallop, which was left over from last night, and I'm putting it inside here. Inside my porridge, you can see there is pork floss, yep, and some carrots, and of course some peanuts as well. All right, so yeah, bon appetit. I'm gonna start eating. Just mix them all up. I think they should be quite nice. Oh man, it's actually very hot. Yeah, just mix the scallop in so that you can get the heat from the porridge because I just freshly boiled it, and to reheat it, and you can see some carrots there, as well as the scallop nicely immersed inside, and it's pretty nice. Yep, tastes good, nice and juicy. And if you like, you can have some soya milk. I'm not paid advertising fee for that. And thanks Adeline for the cup. Precious memories. Bye for now.